I'm Edson.
And I'm Elias.
And this presentation will be about social networking.
Before we start, we'd like to share the central idea with you. The central idea is advancements in scientific technology have consequences and impact society and the environment. First, we'd like to ask you, what do you do when you want to chat with a friend? You go on a social networking page, right?
Now we would like to share some facts with you. Do you know how much time our class spends online chatting a week? Well, we conducted a survey and found out that our class, 82% of our class spends online chatting on a weekly basis, and that they spend on an average 12 hours per week. How has social networking impacted us? This was the question that led us into our inquiry. First off, internet communities, blogs, and networking sites have become an important part of life today. It is a new face of youth. Right from researching about a new product to getting a review about a movie or a book, and to letting everybody know about what is happening in your life. So social networking has had such an impact on us. It has opened new career options for people, and life has become much easier.
You can create, collaborate, entertain, get entertained, review a product, discuss a movie, gossip with friends, find a life partner. The possibilities are endless. Here are other questions. Our first main question is, how has social networking impacted our daily lives? Here are the supporting questions.
How has social networking affected the society?
It has affected the society by helping many people. For example, most companies have a Twitter or a Facebook page. On the page, they post up upcoming events or products.
What are the positive and negatives about social networking, and how has it affected us?
We'll not be answering this question, as we will answer it later on.
How has social networking affected the way we keep in touch with friends and colleagues?
Back then, if you had a friend from school and you left the school, you may never see them again for the rest of your life. Now with social networking, you can search them up on Facebook and MySpace, or maybe you can arrange a place for both of you to meet up. Our second main question is, if social networking hadn't been invented, what would the world be like? Here's the supporting question.
What was the world like before social networking?
Well, as you can imagine, it was very hard to keep in touch with your friends and family after you went to go get a job, so you had to go visit them.
Our third main question is, how has social networking changed the way we get our latest gossip or information?
Before, we had to look for it on the radio, by talking face-to-face, or by looking at a magazine.
And where do we look for it now?
We look for information or gossip on people's blogs, or on their Facebooks and MySpaces.
And our final main question is, how has social networking developed over time?
For the question, we thought we might do a timeline to show results. In 1999, Blogger was launched.
In 2003, MySpace and Skype is launched.
In 2004, In 2004, Facebook was launched.
In 2006, Twitter was launched.
And in 2006, Facebook gets over 500 million registered users.
So social networking has had such a great impact on us. And now we would like to share some positive facts about social networking. It has allowed us to create content to publish for the worldwide audience. And like you can use Wikipedia, and it has also let us, because of social networking, we can share videos and photos by using YouTube, for example, or even Facebook. Social networking can also let us review products, opinion on movies and books, and you can discuss with people around the world. You can use blogs like WordPress and EduBlog, which we have all used before. Social networking websites can help you create a profile and then connect with other users, like Friendly and Friends. Examples for websites that do that are Facebook and MySpace. Social networking websites can help you create your profile, can let you interact visually with other people around the world. And you can use applications like Skype, and now you can also have virtual worlds that can simulate real life over the internet like The Sims Online.
Now, Social networking has helped us a lot, but there is also a negative side. First, let's look at the sleep aspect. The study showed of around 20,000 young people that those aged between 17 and 24, if they sleep less than 5 hours a night, they're 3 times more likely than normal sleepers to become psychologically distressed. Children are spending a lot less time outdoor and doing sports and being with their family. Social networking has also given a force to addiction, and some children spend all of their spare time on chatting with their friends online. There have also been various incidents over the world where children are cyberbullying other children on Facebook, and they create hate groups against each other. And information posted on social networks is permanent. When someone posts pictures or videos on the internet, they sometimes go viral. When the user deletes the video from his or her social network, someone may have already put it on YouTube, and they sometimes appear in the worst possible moments, like when you want to get a job. Another big problem is that children fake their age to get into social networking sites. We conducted a survey and found out that more than half the class had a Facebook account, and since the minimum age for Facebook is 13, they have all faked their ages.
In conclusion, we think that social networking has such a great impact on us because it is part of our daily lives and has given us a much easier way to communicate with faraway friends and family.
And here's our bibliography.
Thank you for watching and listening to our presentation.